try to record. Welcome to my channel, GR-TECHMIND. And today we are going to see about the operators, arithmetic, logical, Boolean, and bitwise. So what are these arithmetic operators are? They are used to perform mathematical operations on a numeric values, right? So common arithmetic operators that include the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, or remainder. Also the exponentiation, okay? Say, for example, if you consider x equal to 5 plus 3, sets the value of x equal to 8, right? So similarly, we will try to check out more operators like the logical, Boolean, bitwise, okay? So let's try some examples. Addition operator, if you consider x equal to 5 and y equals to 3, and if you start printing this, you will get the value as 8 because you have given addition operator. So since 5 plus 3 is 8, so it will give you the result as 8. And coming to subtraction, simply you can put without storing in a variables. So 3 minus 5, you'll get negative result. And coming to multiplication, 5 into 3, you'll get 15. And division operator, 5 by 3, you'll get in the format of float, which is nothing but 5. 3 5s are 15, right? So decimal point. And similarly, if you consider another dash, and if you run, you'll get without any floating value. Okay, always remember a small tip, and everyone need to follow if you are like this. Okay, so 15 double dash 3, if you take and you want the result to be in the only integer format, then you can use double dash, slash. And if you want in the format of a float, then you can use only one single dash. That is the division operator. Okay, and coming to the modulus, it will give you always the remainder value. Okay, so 20 percentile 7, it gives you value as 6. Now coming to logical AND operator. So there are so many things that you can able to consider, and you can also store these values in the variables like true and false, false and true, false and false, true and true. You can try with many more examples I have already given in the text format, speech format. So you can just try it out with those things. So when I use true and false, I will get the false. As you all know that there are some tabular forms that you need to follow. So based on the rules and regulations, you can use this and get the result. Now coming to logical OR operator, true or false, you will get the true value because any one, if it is true, I will get true. Here, if anything is false, I will get false, right? Now Boolean not operator. So if you get the true, if you put true, then I want false. If you put false, then I will get the true, like that. So here, if I put result as not true, means what? I should get false here, like that. And now, bitwise AND operator. Similarly, here you have used these values and you can use the symbols for the help by taking the help of bitwise operators. Like 5 and 3, 5 or 3, exponential, float division. So 2 explanation will be 2 double star 3. And float division operator, you will get in this format. And logical XOR operator like this. Bitwise XOR operator like this. Okay. And left shift, right shift. I'm just mentioning how it looks like, the format of all these things, the operators, the things which you have to use it. Okay. Bitwise right shift operator, 16 greater than, left right shift to, like that. And comparison operator, which is nothing but double equals to, not equal to, greater than, less than, and many more are also there, like less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, like that. And here you will see less than or equals to. So if you put equals to over here and run, it will return true value, right? And now compound assignment, like plus or, simply you, what you have to do is that x equal to 5 you have taken. And again, you don't need to take anything like another variable to add the addition. For addition, you cannot able to do that like that. Like that is another storing variable. It takes a lot of time. So to avoid all those things, you can just put plus or equals to, and if you run the steps, you will get the value. So in one variable, how can you able to do addition operation and all? You can simply use this plus or equals to, minus or equals to, star, everything you can use it over here. Okay. So bitwise not operator. So not operator, my result will be -6. So check out with the scientific calculator, you will get the same. Okay. Now, chained comparison operator. So if there are so many things, how do you get the value? So it will be in the format of Boolean, right? So either true or false. So if I put this, then let us try to run and check what will be the result. Yes, false, because 5 is not greater than 7, but I have taken it like that. So that's the reason I got it in this format. Now, bitwise XOR with toggle operator. So this will be our toggle, which is nothing but the XOR operation, which what we have used, the same thing. So this will be toggle operator. Now, shortened if else using ternary operator. So always remember, this is what the ternary operation will look like, and almost for all the things you can use it. Say value you have taken 12. Okay. Now I am checking. I want the result to be even only if the value means this 12 is divided by 2 and I should get the result as 0. If this condition is getting satisfied, then even is my result. If it is not getting satisfied, all will be my result. Okay. Simply if I am taking 13 and do you think it will be divided by this 2? No, right? So what I should get? I should get the value as odd. So let us run and check it. See? Nice. Now coming to bitwise shift and masking. So using the help of bit values, right? Binary digits, we can able to easily mask the numbers which towards the right or towards the left. So this is how we can able to mention. Just follow the format. How do we do this and all? Okay. Now complex logical expression. Here, if you wanted to know, see, I want the value of 111. 111 value is 3. So that's the reason I got 3 over here. And I have masked it to the last 3 bits. Okay. And now, complex logic expression. So here, or I have given means either it should satisfy what, I mean, two conditions are there, right? If it satisfies any one, then I will get my result like that. Now, bitwise operations on binary representation. So how are we going to perform on binary representations is what over here. So A, B are the values which I have taken in the format of binary. Now I want and or using the symbols I have performed. So bin is nothing but the binary. A and B are in the binary format. So I just converted and I'm getting the result. So that is how I got the result over here. So A and B means doing some operation and getting my values. A or B, doing some operation with the help of A and B and getting the value. So that's all about the operators. So I hope you thoroughly enjoyed and learned. Thank you.